Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Gino Lamont.
And I'm Elizabeth Beaubien.
It's a homeowner's worst nightmare. Someone breaking into your house while you and your family are at home.
Tonight, a safety alert for people leaving their windows open for some fresh air. KMIR 6's Angela Monroe met with a Palm Springs homeowner victimized last night by a cat burglar. Angela.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Gino Lamont.
And I'm Elizabeth Beaubien. In tonight's Decision 2012 red, white, and blue coverage, all eyes are on Florida. In that biggest battleground state tonight, Mitt Romney and President Obama face off in their final debate. You're looking at live aerials of the situation right now. It happened about a half hour ago on Interstate 5 near the Buena Vista Avenue exit. Northbound Interstate 5 is closed down and just one southbound lane is open. You can see the backup right there. A very frustrating commute for those drivers. 5 vehicles were involved, including a big rig that jackknifed in the center divider. No word on injuries at this time. And now for a look at the weather. Another mild day out there, and may I dare say even a little chilly this morning.
Yeah, actually it was.
No
a little bit.
No
Meteorologist Brian Schofield standing by with your first forecast at 5. Hey, Brian. About 3 to 4 inches of snow fell overnight, and the snow continued to fall into the morning hours.
Looks refreshing, doesn't it?
Actually, looks really nice.
Yeah. Coming up after the break tonight. The mother of a 14-year-old girl filed a lawsuit against the makers of Monster energy drinks following her death. The lawsuit here in California alleges Anais Fournier died of heart problems after drinking 2 24-ounce Monster drinks in a 24-hour period. According to the lawsuit, that is equal to 14 12-ounce cans of Coca-Cola. In a statement, Monster Beverage says it's saddened by the death, but does not believe its beverages are responsible for the girl's death. Monster's shares fell 16% today after news of the lawsuit became public. The FDA is now looking closely at the deaths of at least 5 people who apparently drank Monster energy drinks before they died. Still to come tonight on your KMIR 6 News at 5 o'clock. Thousands of motorcyclists will flood the streets of Palm Springs. It's for the annual American Heat Motorcycle Weekend. More than 5,000 motorcyclists are expected to participate. It'll include stunt shows, live music, and retail vendors to help benefit local charities. The event will be centered on Palm Canyon Drive between Amato and Arenas roads, and that means road closures for you. Palm Canyon will be closed from Amato to Arenas from 6 a.m. tomorrow until 11 p.m. Sunday night. In our Decision 2012 red, white, and blue coverage tonight, the presidential campaign trail makes its way to The Tonight Show with Jay Leno. President Barack Obama will be Jay's guest tonight. Governor Mitt Romney visited the show earlier this year. When it comes to political humor, Jay Leno says he tries to be an equal opportunity offender. And even though the candidates provide Leno nightly targets, he says it's never awkward having them on as guests.
I never question anybody's patriotism.
President Obama's last visit to The Tonight Show was almost exactly 1 year ago. Governor Romney visited during the primary season last March. First Lady Michelle Obama and the governor's wife, Ann Romney, have also been guests on Leno's show this year. He is okay, but as you can see, the truck was scorched, and these pumpkins are quite overdone. Firefighters and DOT workers spent most of the morning picking up pieces of burnt pumpkin, which actually tastes pretty good. The seeds, at least, right? Have you ever cooked those?
You've eaten burnt pumpkin, have
you? You don't know how I cook.
But
Everything's
thought
burnt.
maybe it was an Oklahoma thing.
Maybe. Maybe just a Beaubien thing.
All kinds of hillbilly stories coming out of your hometown.
No, slowly but surely.
That's going to do it for us. Family Feud is next. Remember, you can visit us online at KMIR6.com.
Join us at 10 on My 13 and right here at 11 for all your local news and weather. Have a good night.